Brand awareness is the first step to engaging your audience, but the real action comes after that initial touch. In fact, it can take 5, 10, or even 15 touches to get someone to actually do something. It's up to you to nurture your audience members towards conversion with consistent and relevant messaging, and retargeting is one of the best ways to do that. Retargeting is literally built to help you stay top of mind, which is the goal of any nurturing campaign. Plus, you can segment your audiences however you'd like and retarget each segment with custom messaging that converts at higher rates. Let's say your goal is event registration. You geofence some competing events to drive new web traffic, you sent out a few emails to prospective attendees, but people just aren't registering at the rate you'd like, even if they are visiting your site. Retargeting those web visitors with personalized ads is a way to stay top of mind and nudge them towards a conversion, while also giving them the space they need to make a decision on their own. For example, you could create a segment of people who attended last year's event and target them with messaging about how this year's event will be even better. You can even throw in a special discount to show you value loyalty. Another segment might be people who attended a competing event that you geofenced. You know a little bit about their interests based on the events they're going to, so target them with messaging that speaks to those interests. You can even switch up your ads to include more helpful educational content. Instead of directing people to your registration page every time, send them to a landing page where they can download an ebook or some other relevant content. It's a softer push, but it shows that you're invested in helping them. The ways in which you can segment your audience are virtually limitless, and you can use retargeting to nurture people towards any conversion, whether that's joining your association, signing up for your certification program, becoming a sponsor, or whatever your goals might be.